Hey everyone, in several of my videos I talk about careers and the median salary of that job. Today I was wondering, what's the median salary of a YouTuber? I think this number will surprise you, so let's get into the details. But first, welcome to my channel. I talk about jobs, education, careers, and more. YouTube is one of the largest, if not the largest search engine out there, and you can find all sorts of content. With myself, if I need to fix something or learn something on the fly, there's a YouTube channel that will provide that content. You'll also see videos about how much I made as a YouTuber. I applaud these individuals who are making an income from YouTube. But the median salary of a YouTuber isn't what you think. So let's look at this a little more. How many YouTube channels do you think exist on the platform? If you take a sum of everyone that has uploaded a video to YouTube, which consists of a family member uploading a video, to the YouTube stars posting a video, getting 30 million views a video. The total number of YouTube channels in 2020 with 10 or more subscribers was approximately 38 million channels. That's a big number, but this number is global. 38 million out of 7 billion is a pretty small percentage, but still, 38 million channels is a big number. Now, median salary is not the average salary. Median salary is a ratio of all the YouTubers. Half make more, half make less. So if you're taking a look at the total number of YouTube channels, 38 million, half is 19 million. Let's peel the onion a little bit more on the money front. To enable monetization on YouTube, a YouTuber's channel will need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing time within a rolling 12-month time period to qualify. This number is a bit of a milestone to reach. As we look at the channels again, there are approximately 18 million channels that have a minimum of 100 subscribers or more. So just looking at this number alone, the median salary of a YouTuber is nothing. Zero. No money at all. We do this because we like making videos. A YouTube channel is like a business or career though. You will only get what you put into the channel. To continue the thought process though, let's take a look at the totals as you move up in subscriber count. The main milestones you'll see in the YouTube community for YouTubers are 1,000 subs, 10,000 subs, 100,000 subs, and 1 million subscribers. As we hit each of these milestones, the total number of channels is going to get much, much smaller. If a YouTuber is able to make the 1,000 subscriber threshold, they'll be one of approximately 6 million channels. So just think about that. Out of the 38 million channels out there with 10 or more subscribers, just under 16% of all YouTube channels hit the threshold of 1,000 subscribers. This gets you to one of the two key requirements to become monetized. And even if you have the number of subscribers, you need the viewing time. If your channel's videos average 2 minutes of viewing time per view, you'll need about 120,000 total views within a 12-month time period before you're able to get fully monetized. So looking at the total number of monetized channels, the number is going to be probably a little bit smaller than 6 million. The next big milestone in YouTube is the 10,000 subscriber mark. For content creators, the 10,000 subscriber mark opens up more features within the channel itself. There are still quite a few channels with 10,000 subs or more though. Again, it's a much smaller number than the previous milestone of 1,000 subs. But if your channel has 10,000 subs or more, you're going to be in a global population of about 1.3 million channels. The 100,000 subscriber milestone is always so cool to see on channels. The individual gets their silver play button from YouTube because this is a significant accomplishment. It's significant because of the 38 million number I stated earlier, there's only about 230,000 channels that have crossed this threshold. That's an incredible number. If your channel hits this territory, you are among the 1% of YouTube. Not even that. It's smaller. It's 0.6% of all channels. That's quite a feat if you're able to hit that milestone. And with the million subscriber mark, earning that gold play button, should your channel hit this threshold, you're going to be in the company of about 22,000 other channels. That's 0.05% of all YouTube channels. So just think about it. If there's $1 and there's 100 pennies in that dollar, you take the 1 penny, divide that into 100, and you take 5 pieces out of that penny. That's the ratio. It's just insane. This was very interesting when I was researching the topic. When I was digging into the information, I was rather surprised at the amount, or rather lack of amount, of median salary in the YouTube community. And I'm blown away at how many channels are actually out there. But with that, thank you so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed watching it, be sure to click the like button. And if you're enjoying my videos, please consider subscribing. A click of the notification bell will give you alerts when I post new videos. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Be safe, have a good one,